You know you are in Andhra Zoo when you see such deliciousness and a very, very eager face waiting for it. So what are you waiting for, Ansh?
I'm waiting for tasting the tikwa.
He's just waiting to taste the thekwas, which is actually the
Cookie.
a cookie, right? It's almost like a cookie. This is what thekwas look like. We'll just start opening it up. So Ansh, where did our food come from?
Meghla auntie.
Yes, so she is a home chef.
She is one of our neighbors.
Okay. She's a home chef also, and she delivers everywhere in Delhi NCR. By the way, guys, you can get it delivered to your doorstep from Delhi NCR. So, let me talk a little bit about her venture. It's called Anarsa. Anarsa happens to be a kind of a sweet. It's all Bihari cuisine, and she has sent me some stuff which I have pretty much already tasted, right? We have just not tasted one thing, so come along, I'll let you know. So this is thekwa. I think our Ansh has called thekwas. This is basically Chhat Puja Prasad, and Ansh is like really looking forward to it. Yes. Hashtag Andhra Zook. That's what we need, right, Ansh? Yeah. So do you want to taste?
This one.
Okay. So this is 250 grams of thekwa. Okay, so Meghla does all authentic Bihari food, and this is her Bihari mutton curry. Check out the color, the smell is amazing, guys. This is chokha, bangan ka chokha. This is tomato ki chutney. This is aloo ki sabzi. And over there, I think they are piece de resistance of her menu. मटर की हींग वाली मटर की हींग वाली मटर की कचौरी. This is one of the most favorite dishes that we have ordered from her, and I have never really felt. Yeah, the paratha is also there. Yeah, so we have always had this kachori. Yeah, the thekwa is good. You like it? How much? Lots and lots. Amazing. So what is the combination? So the combination is basically the chokha with the paratha, alright, and aloo ki sabzi or tomato ki chutney with 4 kachoris. Now I have been behind her to send me both. So let me know in a comment below how many people feel that you need both along with your kachoris. Now this is her mutton curry, which you can order with parathas or tehri or something like. You can have anything, but I have some handmade rotis. We can have that. So there you go, guys. Look at the color of that mutton. It's looking really good. I've got a handmade roti there, and I'm gonna taste it with that. And Ansh is dying to taste the paratha, I think, after he's finished his thekwa. He's snacked on thekwa. Yep. So now take a bite of the paratha. Let's see how much you like it.
Ansh?
Okay, he's making sure. Getting ready for a paratha. What do you think, Ansh? Yeah, it's a thumbs up from Ansh. We should have it with chokha. The bangan ka chokha, that's what they call it. I can't wait. I'm just salivating. Oh, it's taking forever to taste. Yeah, there you go. That's the bite, and I can't wait. The chokha is so flavorful. It's got onion, it's got mustard oil, it's got beautiful crunchy tomatoes, and the bangan which is roasted. And look at the amazing sattu. Now sattu ka paratha is one of the most known dishes of Bihar, and she does it really well.
Goes all the way.
It goes all the way in. That means it is a very nicely made paratha. Now let's do, what do we do? Ansh, which one do you want to taste? The kachori or the mutton? So Ansh said it's gonna be mutton. Nice. I can't wait. Very nice. Perfectly spicy. The blend is really good. It's a thumbs up from me. I think Ansh also wants to taste. So how is it? The mutton? Mutton is good? Okay. Alright, now it's time to see one of these. Oh, look at the filling right there. You can see, ये तो पूरा भरा हुआ है वो filling के साथ. I can't focus it somehow. It's okay. And yeah, now I can. So this is looking beautiful. Chalo, chalo. Le. Yes, baby. This is amazing. This is khasta kachori along with टमाटर की चटनी. और तुम्हें पता ही है मैं amazing. This is the aloo hing ki sabzi. Just take a quick bite because I can't wait. I'll just put it. Yum, yum, yum. And to finish off this Bihari meal, I've got a very nice nostalgic sweet from Bihar, which is called the Thekwa. Look at these little cookies. This is best had with tea, by the way. Crunchy on the outside, soft in the inside, full of fennel seeds. It is mind-blowingly amazing. So guys, do note. Sorry, I have to finish my chewing. All this is beautiful. All this is amazing. Look how much Ansh has already finished his paratha. He's now taking a break. And all this food is really, really great. She makes it really rich. We have been eating from her since a long period of time. She happens to be our neighbor. And Narsa is the place where you have to order for such delicious homemade Bihari food. And if you liked watching us,
Don't forget to subscribe.
and share our video and like us. Do leave a comment below and let me know if you want your kachori along with sirf aloo ki sabzi, yeah, sirf tomato ki chutney, or do you want both? I am more for the both person. I've been telling Meghla about it for a long period of time. So now let's all gang up on her.
Gang up is a wrap.
Yeah. On that note,
Wrap.
cheers!